Hey everyone! Are you a gamer looking to build your own custom gaming PC? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to build a gaming PC from scratch. Step 1. Choose your components. The first step to building a gaming PC is to choose the right components. You'll need a motherboard, CPU, graphics card, RAM, storage, power supply, and a case. You'll also need a few tools like a screwdriver, thermal paste, and cable ties. Step 2. Install the motherboard. Next, you'll need to install the motherboard into the case. Line up the motherboard's ports with the openings in the case and screw it in place. Step 3. Install the CPU and cooler. After the motherboard is installed, it's time to install the CPU and cooler. Apply thermal paste to the CPU, and then attach the cooler. Make sure it's securely attached. Step 4. Install the RAM. Now it's time to install the RAM. Locate the RAM slots on the motherboard and push the RAM sticks into place. Make sure you hear a click to know they're properly installed. Step 5. Install the graphics card. The next step is to install the graphics card. Locate the PCIe slot on the motherboard and insert the graphics card. Secure it with the screws provided. Step 6. Install the storage. Now it's time to install your storage. You can choose between an HDD or an SSD. Insert it into the drive bay and secure it with screws. Step 7. Connect the cables. Next, connect the cables to the motherboard and the power supply. Make sure all cables are plugged in properly, and use cable ties to keep everything organized. Step 8. Power on. Finally, it's time to power on your new gaming PC. Connect the power cable to the power supply and turn it on. Your new gaming PC should start up and run smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to build a gaming PC from scratch. It might seem intimidating at first, but with a little patience and the right components, anyone can build their own custom gaming PC. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!